I had every intention of getting up this morning, mowing my yard. As you can see, I looked at the weather app and it said, oh, it's going to be a bright, sunny day, slightly cool. That was, in fact, a lie. I woke up to it raining. You know what? I'm not going to let that deter me because this is the dormant grass. Everything is low, but I've got these like weird stragglers that are all over the yard, and I've got to get those cut. So we're going to go ahead and do it anyways, even though the yard is wet. So wish me luck on that. We're going to be using the DJI Nano to kind of video some of it. Well, that went better than I expected. Caught it just in time. There's another wave of rain that's about to come through, so at least I got it mowed. And the reason I wanted to is, like I said, I had the grass is kind of already going dormant. It's quick growing. Ooh, that's a big wall of rain headed this way. I better hurry up and get inside because the bottom part of this is not waterproof. I do a lot of my filming when I'm doing just like the walk and talk vlogs in my front yard because it freaking looks nice because it's got trees and shit. So I wanted to get it mowed because those little stragglers are really annoying to walk through. So there we go, got it done. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll be answering some. That was a piece of grass in my mouth. I'll be answering some more questions about the DJI Nano, using it in like everyday scenarios, and there's a car going right now, and ironically, I'm not even using a microphone right now. I'm filming everything with the internal mics that are on the DJI, so that's why you're able to hear vehicles passing, dogs barking, crickets chirping, me pooing, and stuff like that. So I will be answering more questions on the DJI Nano, and I've had a couple people already ask me why this was my choice versus the new DJI 6 that came out. I did a video on that. I just think there was a lot of upgrades that they said were on the 6 that kind of really weren't upgrades. You still get those with the DJI 4 and 5. So with that, guys, out of here before this rain hits. Bye.